Yes, I know. It's been about 2 months since I've uploaded a video, but let me tell y'all, life has happened. But I'm back now, so that's what we're going to concentrate on. And today I'm bringing a video that was highly requested by a lot of my subscribers, my new subscribers. By the way, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and supporting my journey. To straighten my natural curly hair. Do I straighten my hair at all? And the answer is yes, I do occasionally. Like, I don't like to do too much to my hair all the time, but occasionally I feel like it's okay. And I feel like that you can still straighten your hair sometimes and not get heat damage. And I want to bring you guys that. I want to show you guys how to protect my hair while straightening it, also what products I use and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. By the way, I will be uploading maybe 2 videos today. I want to do a questions and answers. I've been getting a lot of questions about, you know, my hair and stuff like that. So I want to answer that since I've been going for so long. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get all my uploads. And just stay tuned for the video if you want to see how I straighten my hair.
So these are the products that I use, from shampoo, deep conditioner, heat protectant spray, leave-in, and flat iron. So I've already washed my hair and deep conditioned it. So basically, I'm about to separate my hair so I can actually blow dry it. Now I'm gonna try to blow dry it as straight as possible, but I didn't have my normal blow dryer, so I had to actually blow dry my hair with the regular one without the nozzle on it, so it didn't get as straight as I would like it to get. But we're gonna work with what we got. So I'm gonna section my hair off into small sections, and then I'm gonna use my heat protectant spray. And this is gonna allow me to not get heat damage, or to get minimal heat damage. Now I'm just gonna work that all through my hair. These 2 products that I'm actually using, it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. So I kind of saturate my hair as much as I can because I'd rather not get heat damage. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair using my denim brush to actually help me so it can get as straight as possible. Now if you notice, when I'm blow drying my hair, I have it from the top and the air is pointing downward, so my hair won't be all over the place, because you want your hair as flat as possible so you don't have to put as much heat in your hair. So I'm gonna just do this as much as possible, and you guys are gonna just see me do this. Just remember, as straight as you get it while it's blow dried, you don't have to put as much heat in it, and you won't get as much heat damage. So just take your time on this part, and that's a little suggestion I can get for you guys. Another tip, you guys do never, I would never suggest to ever flat iron your hair or put any heat in your hair without a heat protectant or a leave-in. That's how you get heat damage. And that's something I had to learn over the years. Feel like the leave-in that I use kind of helps my hair get a little bit silky straight. So now it's to the flat iron part. And you see that I'm chasing the flat iron with a brush. Now I'm doing this because it allows my hair it more silky straight. Now I know you probably see people do it with like a rat tail comb, but the brush has more bristles, so it allows my hair to get straighter than the actual comb for thicker hair. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and show you guys exactly how I do it. And this is basically all I do. So that's all I'm gonna say for now, and just keep watching how I actually chase it with the brush, and that's basically all I do.